Crazy out here. Crazy out here. No, ahora papi. Pues para allá para la tienda. Veremos a ver si sobrevivo. Okidoki. Whew. Crazy. Oh shit. How the fuck? This is nuts. Bro, it's at my kneecaps. I'm 6'4", bro. I was about to say 7 footer. Like I'm KD or something. Bro, what the fuck? I can't walk. Nuts. Silent. This is crazy. No fucking way. I'm going. Niggas is going to the store. One way or fucking another. We gonna make it. Oh shit. This is crazy, y'all. There's no fucking way. This is nuts. Nigga, I am buried, bro. I am buried. Yeah, yo mido 7 pies casi. Puñeta. I can't make it out the snow. Fuck. Esto está malo. Esto está bien, man. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record the rest of the trip, folks. This is crazy. Oh. Oh. Yes. Okay. We survived a little bit of that shit. But we got a lot more to go to reach our destination. Alright. I think we're just gonna keep using the cars as like like safe zone, bro. This is nuts, fam. It's as tall as me. No. Shit. Well, at least the phone's waterproof. We going. Ugh. Oh shit, I'm stuck. No fucking way. This is crazy. There's no way. This is the craziest shit I've ever done. I think the middle of the street's gonna be my safest bet now. Yeah, I think just trooping it in the middle of the street is gonna be my safest bet. Crap, this is absolutely nuts. It feels like some apocalyptic shit, bruh. I can't see. Oh shit, I almost fell. Walking back's gonna suck, but at least we'll have a good treat to walk back with. Oh, this is nuts. This is bad. This is really bad. Fuck it, at this point I'm walking right through this shit. Oh, this is nuts. But we made it, boys and girls. We made it. We made it to the liquor store.